Come on, do it. You just light the tip on fire. Go.
Wait, is it gonna explode in my face?
No.
What does it do? I don't know how to do it. How do I make you hold
Tara, you're on video.
Hold this.
No, it's fun to throw it. Do it. It's not scary. Go. When it makes a noise, throw it. Go. You look like a retard. Do it. Throw it. Look, it's making stains.
That was scary.
Look, it's still in the grass.
Oh my god, look at what you just did.
It made the grass all blue. Ew, it really smells.
Look, it's still...
It smells nasty. Okay, do me now.
Whoa.
Is it still recording?
Oh yeah.
Say bye.
No, bye.